Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of viewing CMP-08 and GSTR-4 in TallyPrime. As a composition dealer, you must be using CMP-08 to file your quarterly returns and GSTR-4 for annual returns. TallyPrime Release 3.0 comes with an enhanced experience of CMP-08 and GSTR-4. The reports are updated to cover various business scenarios so that you can view the required data. You also have an option to specify tax rate for taxable turnover change as per the department in TallyPrime and ensure that the calculation of tax is based on taxable value or taxable, exempt, and nil rated values depending on the nature of your business. What's more, when you cross the threshold limit and your GST registration becomes regular, you do not need to create a separate company. You can change your GST registration from composition to regular in a specific data and rest assured that the vouchers recorded prior to the date remain intact and included in CMP-08 and GSTR-4. And once GST registration type changes from composition to regular, the future vouchers appear in GSTR-1 and GSTR-3B. Let's first see how to specify tax rate for taxable turnover. Press F11. Enable Goods and Service Tax (GST). Enter tax rate of taxable turnover. If the rate of taxable turnover changes, then you can update here with an effective date. Under Calculate Tax Based On, you can choose either taxable, exempt, nil rated values or taxable value as per the nature of your business. Selecting taxable value ensures that only taxable value are considered for returns. However, if you also sell exempt and nil rated goods, then you may want to show the same in your returns. In that case, select taxable, exempt, and nil rated values. Let's select this and press Ctrl+A to save. You can also change the tax rate of taxable turnover whenever there is a change in the tax rate by the department. Press Ctrl+I. Type or select tax rate details for turnover and press Enter. In the tax rate details for turnover screen, enter the new tax rate for taxable turnover and press Enter. Select New Effective Date and press Enter. Enter the effective date. The tax rate gets applicable from the date mentioned here. Press Ctrl+A. You can view the history of tax rate details for turnover. Press Ctrl+I. Type or select tax rate details for turnover, history, and press Enter. You can view the history of updates made in tax rate details for turnover. Now, let's view CMP-08. Press Alt+G. Type or select CMP-08 and press Enter. Press F2 to change the period if needed. By default, the report opens with Return View. Press F5 and it appears with Nature View. You can view the nature of transactions and taxable and tax amount corresponding to the same. Now, press F5 again and it appears with Return View. Press Alt+F5 to view a detailed report. You can see the taxable sales with their tax rates. You can drill down further to view CMP-08 voucher register, where you get the details of transactions such party, voucher type, taxable amount. To view values of the inward reverse charge transactions, you can drill down here. Similarly, you can drill down to view details about interest, late fee, penalty, and others. Press F12 and you can configure the report. Let's enable Show Vouchers with Pending Actions in Other Periods and show additional pending actions. This helps you take actions on the vouchers from other period that require action such as resolution of uncertain transaction and so on. You can also configure the default period on opening the report. By default, it opens with the earlier period. If you want it to open for the current period, then you can select the same. As you can see, a column gets added to display vouchers with pending actions in other periods. Drill down and you can see that an uncertain transaction is pending for resolution. You can resolve it right away and it will disappear from the Uncertain Transactions Corrections Needed section. Now, press Ctrl+B, include pending actions from, and you can select the period as per your requirement. To change view, press Ctrl+H. As you can see, you can also go to a related report from here. Say, you want to track GST return activities. Press Enter and the report opens. Press Escape and you are back to CMP-08. Now, let's view GSTR-4. Press Alt+G. Type or select GSTR-4 and press Enter. The report opens for the quarter. However, you can change the period to the financial year as it is an annual return. Press F2 to change the period if needed. You can toggle between Return View and Nature View. You can refer to the taxable and tax amount in GSTR-4 to file your annual returns. You can see that GSTR-4 also has the details of inward transactions. Taxable and tax amount of all types of inward transactions can be viewed, be it reverse charge, other than reverse charge, inward supplies from unregistered dealers, and import of services. You can drill down to view GSTR-4 summary as needed. Drill down further and you can view GSTR-4 voucher register. Press Escape to get back. Press F12 and you can configure the report similar to CMP-08. Now, your business may exceed the threshold limit at any point in time and as a result, your GST registration type changes from composition to regular. In TallyPrime Release 3.0, you can change the registration type so that it gets applicable from the date you mention rather than creating a separate company. Let's see how to do it. Press F11. Enable Goods and Service Tax (GST). Press Ctrl+I. GST registration details and press Enter. Under registration type, select Regular. Press Enter. Select New Effective Date and press Enter. Enter the effective date. The registration type gets applicable from the date mentioned here. Press Ctrl+A. This ensures that the vouchers recorded prior to this date remain included in CMP-08 and GSTR-4. And the vouchers recorded on and after the effective date get included in GST returns of the regular registration type such as GSTR-1 and GSTR-3B. As you saw, TallyPrime enables you to choose the basis of tax calculation based on your business practices and view CMP-08 and GSTR-4 for your quarterly and annual returns. What's more, if you cross the threshold limit as declared by the department, you can switch your registration type from composition to regular with a new effective date. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.